The Milwaukee Road.
Come on, give it your best shot! Come on, give it your best shot! You can't score on me!
You asked for it.
Wow, girl, I didn't know you had such cool moves.
And the fat controller knows that football looking class 142 pacer.
It was cool. Thanks.
Nice moves, girl. Get ready to get slimed.
And the fat controller knows that football looking class 142
Been
pacer.
trying to pull off that slime prank for months. But it always backfires.
So sad for. Wow. Everything you just did was so cool. I'm Bella. Can I have an autograph?
No.
No problem. Here you go. Wow, girl. That's such a beautiful name. What does it mean? Wow, fascinating. Oh, hey, if you don't mind, can I, be like your #1 fan?
Yeah, sure, kid. Go wild.
Hold it. You can't be her #1 fan if you're not my #1 fan.
All I know is that to me, you look like you're lots of fun. Open up your loving arms, watch out, here I come. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round, round. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round, round.
No thanks. Okay, see you later. Kids these
Have a
days,
cursed
no
loco.
respect for professional celebrities.
Come on, Cheese. I don't even want a van. I bet she already forgot about me.
Hey girl, it's
Have a cursed loco.
Thanks. But why?
because I'm your #1 fan and I want to make you happy. Okay, bye again.
I changed my mind. Fans are awesome!
Hey, girls, wanna play bobbleheads?
You want us to play with bobbleheads? Come on, boy. On. You know I think they're boring.
Just because something is plain and dull does not mean it's boring.
Besides, it's my turn to wash the car. Wow. Yeah, enjoy.
Girl, Bella sure loves you, but don't you think you...
Something. Who am I to something? Who am I to something? Who am I to something? Who am I to... Bella, you missed a spot.
Orange juice, girl.
Thanks. Can you come back later? Or tomorrow?
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I like being around you and... No, you won't. I'm gonna make breakfast for you. Ta-da!
Is that a pickle with mayonnaise on it?
Yup, family recipe.
Okay, so then boy says to me, "Are you kidding?"
What? No, wait, no, wait, no, wait. He did?
Yeah. Anyway, K-Jam, so then I said to boy, "Do I look like I'm kidding? Look like I'm kidding? Look like I'm kidding? Look like I'm kidding?"
Well, you show that boy who's boss. You!
I gotta go. Bye, girl.
I'd be lost without you. You're my hero.
Okay, you can stick around.
Girl,
Hey, could you get me a lemonade, Bella?
Yes!
Guys, Bella's way too much.
Give her the old heave-ho, eh? Hola!
Funnest thing ever.
that bobblehead is a doctor. He doesn't fly.
What does it matter? I'm playing with this boring thing, aren't I? Whee! I love bobbleheads! Heads? Now you know I'm totally boring.
Well, if you love bobbleheads too. Whee!
Doctors do not fly.
Need of this. Good thing I got a secret weapon. Hi, sugar. That boring old girl. Be my number one fan, 'cause I'm a rock star.
Doctors do not